Welcome to this step-by-step guide on running a PHP web application on an Nginx web server. Nginx is a popular open-source web server that is known for its high performance and scalability. By combining Nginx with PHP, we can create a powerful environment to run our web applications. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Nginx on your server. You can do this by running the appropriate commands for your system, or by following the installation guide on the Nginx website. Step 2. Once Nginx is installed, let's configure it to serve PHP files. Open the Nginx configuration file and add the necessary directives to enable PHP support. Don't forget to save the changes. Step 3. Next, we need to install PHP and the necessary extensions. Depending on your system, this can be done using package managers like apt or yum. Make sure to install the version of PHP that is compatible with your web application. Step 4. After installing PHP, we need to configure it to work with Nginx. Open the PHP configuration file and make sure the necessary settings are enabled, such as the PHP FPM process manager. Step 5. Now that Nginx and PHP are configured, let's create a directory for our web application files. Copy your PHP files into this directory and make sure they have the correct permissions. Step 6. Restart both Nginx and PHP FPM services to apply the changes we made. You can do this by running the appropriate commands for your system. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and configured a PHP web application on an Nginx web server. Now you can access your web application through your server's domain or IP. For Anil Labs, as Anil Labs, you can enhance the security and performance of your PHP web application by implementing additional steps such as security measures. Consider implementing security best practices, including input validation, password hashing, and setting up a web application firewall, WAF, to protect against common web vulnerabilities. Backup and recovery. Implement regular backup routines to safeguard your application's data. Explore options for disaster recovery in case of unexpected events. Scaling. If your web application experiences increased traffic, consider load balancing and scaling strategies to ensure optimal performance and availability. Monitoring and optimization. Implement monitoring tools to keep an eye on server resources, application performance, and potential bottlenecks. Optimize your application code and database queries for efficiency. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and guides.